Hi, this is Barbara Taffy. Welcome to the Alternative Health and Beauty channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about turmeric and black pepper, what it does for you and how you can consume it. So turmeric's been around for thousands of years. It's been one of the top medicinal herbs in India, and it's the yellow, most predominant spice in curry. You can also use it in soups, egg dishes, and a lot of other assortment of healthy foods. And turmeric is one of those spices that I would say is just a real power spice because it just does so much for you. The health benefits come from the ingredient curcumin. So you can take turmeric in a variety of ways. Here's a spice that I buy. It's organic, and I use it in cooking. I also use it in golden milk, which I'll talk to you about a little bit later. You can buy raw turmeric root at a health food store, or now a lot of grocery stores have it as well. You can take it by an extract or even a capsule, and you can take turmeric directly or curcumin, so just whatever it is that your preference is just great, or combination. The turmeric is necessary to take along with black pepper, just a little bit, like maybe 15 parts turmeric to 1 part black pepper. Turmeric will not absorb well without the black pepper, so that's why it's so necessary. It's a staple of Ayurvedic medicine, and in India, there's very low cancer rates and also low rates of Alzheimer's disease. And although there's not been conclusive proof, it takes into account the fact that turmeric is used so extensively in India. It's really anti-inflammatory, and it has powerful effects. It's an antioxidant, and it neutralizes free radicals. Nutrition is so important, and turmeric can help alleviate headaches, arthritis pain. It helps alleviate pain in the scalp, especially if you get migraines. And it's also shown to have some really good use with people that have fibromyalgia, which I understand is just very, very uncomfortable. I personally mix turmeric with cayenne pepper, and this is a really powerful painkiller. You still have to use black pepper because the cayenne pepper will not replace the black pepper as far as absorption. So you add a little bit of that, and it can just treat, terrible migraine or most anything else it'll help with. It's really amazing for strengthening your immune system. There's so many nutrients in turmeric, and it can even help prevent or reduce the common cold's length. Turmeric's anti-everything, okay? So it's antioxidant, it's antiviral, it's antibacterial, it's antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antiseptic. So turmeric really has it going on for your health. You can also use this medicinal herb for bronchitis, for lung infections, the common cold, and if your body has any infection, taking turmeric can help to alleviate or recover sooner from that. Turmeric is also really good for your skin. It can help clear up psoriasis. Some people use egg whites mixed with turmeric for a facial mask. It's supposed to be very healing. It can damage and repair your skin, and the poultices can be applied, directly to your wounds. Taking the herb turmeric can also assist you with losing weight, and as if there weren't enough benefits already. One of the ways that it does this is it stops the fat cells from growing too quickly. It also reduces leptin resistance, and it lowers insulin resistance. And I'll talk to you about insulin resistance in another video, but that alone is something that if you reverse, the pounds can really come off. It helps with hypoglycemia and inflammation in the body, and there's just a fat burning function that turmeric has. It also decreases water retention, which although it's not really weight loss, but it can help you feel and look a little bit slimmer. Turmeric's great for your mood. It can help alleviate depression, and curcumin does cross the blood-brain barrier, and there's been some research to see if it will actually help prevent or heal some of the Alzheimer's symptoms. So I'm really looking forward to finding out more about that. And fatigue is greatly reduced when you take turmeric. So, you know, it's just one of those things. You mix it with protein and some other good ingredients, and you'll have more consistent energy. The curcumin specifically is what reduces inflammation, and it can really be preventative for most chronic diseases because there's been so many studies that will show that inflammation is a predecessor for almost all diseases. So it's not the only factor, but if you can reduce the inflammation, your body in its entirety will perform better, and it'll just be more overall healthy. Some of the other ways that curcumin or turmeric benefit you is it will lower high cholesterol. It also reduces the chances of stroke or a heart attack, and it does replace or remove the plaque from your arteries walls, and it prevents oxidation. Turmeric also stimulates your gallbladder, and just very basically that will up your production of bile, and that will help with your digestion. And it also help relieve gas and bloating and any other kind of stomach discomforts. It's great for heart disease. It's great for autoimmune disorders. It's really, really good for your liver. It detoxifies your liver and may assist in preventing cirrhosis of the liver. And again, the turmeric alone is not enough to undo just many years of damage to your liver, but it can help in a small way and is very effective. Lastly, turmeric can be good for your dental health, and it even helps prevent gingivitis. A couple words of caution: pregnant women should not use turmeric unless specifically directed by their doctor. And if you have stomach ulcers, you really shouldn't use turmeric at all. The curcumin in turmeric is fat soluble, so that means that you need to consume it with something that contains fat. I'll go over golden milk with you in a second, but that would be the perfect combination. I suggest taking at least 1 teaspoon of turmeric per day. You could take a lot more, and it has a really sharp pepper-like taste, so it can really spice up any of your healthy recipes, and it's amazing how it can taste good in things that you really wouldn't expect it to. So for golden milk, which has really become very popular right now, you take a turmeric, at least a teaspoon, up to 3, and really just a dash of black pepper, and you either add it to cow's milk or any plant-based milk, and you stir it. Or if you wanted to drink it warm, you could heat up the milk a little bit and then stir it into that. So I'll make another video really soon. It'll show me making the golden milk, so please look out for that. And thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to subscribe to find out more videos and support the channel. And this is Barbara with Alternative Health and Beauty Channel. Thanks so much.